Hey everyone, it's Kelly here with She Learns Video, and today we are going to be chatting all about how you can start creating reels without showing your face on screen. So I know everyone right now wants to follow along with the reels trend. It's not going away anytime soon, but it can be a little bit intimidating to put yourself on screen. So today we're going to have 5 ideas. By the end of this video, you will be able to start creating reels, sharing them on Instagram, and really reaping the benefits from the traction that reels can gain. Personally, on screen isn't my favorite place to be, even though I do create YouTube content. And sometimes you're just not camera ready, but you still want to be creating content, sharing it with your audience, and gaining that traction. So these ideas will help you to do that, and you can get started right away. The first idea I have for you is to utilize still images. So I actually created another YouTube video where you can go into Canva and drop all of your still images. This is great if you're a photographer or if you're someone who enjoys taking photos behind the scenes, and you can show all of those and put them into reel format. So really you're creating a video with the still images. This is super easy to do. I have a video that'll walk you through the entire process, and it's something you can get started with right away. The next idea I have is to share your workspace or your office. So if you have a home office where you're going to be working, perhaps you're a photographer who's editing and you have a beautiful space at home you want to share, maybe you have a studio space that you enjoy. I actually created my own faceless reel utilizing my studio space and showing that off a little bit. You could also show the local parks that you shoot at if you're an outdoor natural light photographer and you have a bunch of places that you return to year after year, session after session. You could show those to your clients and give them the ability to see a little behind the scenes and see how you can creatively utilize the space. When you are doing the behind the scenes tour, you could also feature some of the supplies you use or tools that you're using. Maybe that's your camera gear or your computer setup, anything creative that you feel like people would really enjoy seeing and benefiting from without necessarily having to put your face on camera. You can talk about it behind the scenes. Okay, next up is a video of your product or service. So if you have any physical products, such as if you're a photographer, you have albums, maybe you have prints or gallery walls you can display. These are all things that your clients are going to enjoy seeing, and seeing them in a reel format can be a lot of fun. You can feature different clients, different galleries, and it gives you the ability to share that information in a fun and creative way. If you are a maker, someone who maybe is crafting or doing something physical, making with your hands, or maybe you own a restaurant and you're creating food, you can show behind the scenes without being on camera and still show people and feature the products and services that you're providing to them. You could also talk a little bit about your client experience. So if you are a business coach, maybe show the spaces that you meet your clients, ways that you can serve them, and just anything you can think of that your client would really enjoy seeing. Give them that opportunity. If you meet with them at a cute little coffee shop, do a reel of the cute little coffee shop. You know, show your espresso, show your computer, show the coffee shop, show the behind the scenes. And even if you don't feel camera ready, you can still share that experience. Next up is some behind the scenes of you working. So if, as I said before, if you're a maker, if you're making some sort of physical product, then showing your hands at work, you're not necessarily on screen, but your hands are working, making, painting, crafting, creating something unique and special. If you're a photographer, you could show yourself packaging up albums or prints for your clients. That's something that people would really enjoy seeing and gives a unique perspective on the service that you provide. You could also utilize a screen record tool such as Vimeo or Loom and show your computer, show you editing different photos, editing videos together, and this will give people an opportunity to see you at work, but not necessarily see you on screen. And then rather than having your face on the screen, you could show your clients, you could show them in different poses if you're a photographer, or if you're a service provider, you could show them working on different projects that you've coached them on or encouraged them in, and that will give the opportunity for people to see your work, see your clients on screen. But again, we're doing faceless reels, so you don't have to be the one in front of the camera. Other people that you can put on camera would be to feature your family. You know, if you have children at home, show your kids, show your pets, show your husband, show different parts of your life behind the scenes. And even if you aren't the one looking directly at the camera or speaking to camera, you can be talking about your life. It will also give you the ability to build connection with your clients, your potential clients, any future people out there who are interested in working with you. And ultimately, it gives you the ability to build that connection, even if it isn't something that's strictly business business related, it gives them a peek into who you are as a person, and everyone really wants to work with other people. They want to get to know the person behind the business, and this gives you the ability to do that. Okay, so this week I want you to go out, create a faceless reel of your own, tag me on social media if you can. I would love to see what you are creating. And last but not least, drop below, let me know, do you enjoy being on screen, or are you more of a fan of the faceless reels? Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and head on over to shelearnsvideo.com to learn more and get started with creating more videos for your business.